Hello students, welcome back to your particular life and Minecraft activity. So, Miss will guide you how to make your project for this week. For this week, we want to make an octopus paper. To make an octopus paper, we need colorful paper, marker, and glue. First, you must cut the paper into 8 parts to make the tentacles. Okay, you can cut, but just half of the paper, not all. Now you can make a small circle for the tentacles in here. Like this until finish. After you make the small circle, you can stick both sides by using the glue. So it can be like this. Then you can roll all of the tentacles to make them curve. One by one, so it can be like this. After that, you will make the eyes and the mouth by using the marker. Okay, so here's the result. Isn't it cute?